Welcome to Just Player PC Tech Tips. Here we got a bunch of surplus monitor, and this is for all my clients. They're still good quality despite cheap price. They're still in good condition. To save these tech things getting to landfill, and also my client want to save some money, so I choose the surplus. But don't worry, I chose them wisely and they are in good condition. First, we got this HP monitor. It's 22-inch E222 model. It's really in good shape. It's size only 17, and the status of the monitor is in good condition. Price was around 2,000 pesos, with shipping fee around 300 pesos. It depends on the area. And I bought about 3 units of this. Then also I bought this Dell 17-inch LCD monitor. I bought around 3 units also of this. Size is only 22-inch. Status is in good condition. The price is around 1,800 with 300 shipping fee from Lazada. And also I choose this different variant of Dell. It's 24-inch Full HD VGA monitor. It comes with stand, and my client is happy about it. Next, we have this neck monitor. Size is only 19-inch in good condition. The price is around 2,000 pesos with 200 shipping fee from Lazada. During testing, my client happy about the quality, and it looks brand new despite it's only surplus, and it's very cheap. It comes with power cord and VGA cable, and also with a lot of plastic. It's well repacked. Next, we have this neck 17-inch monitor. It's only 17 in size. Status in good quality, good condition. The price is around only 1,400 with 300 shipping fee. The shipping fee it depends on the location. During testing, it's really nice and all smooth and very colorful screen, and it looks brand new. This kind of monitor can last at least 3 to 4 years, and it's guaranteed can run smoothly. Thanks for watching. Bye.